Alright, welcome to ModNation Racers HQ tutorial on how to use a database and capture and submit. First we're going to talk about capturing images from the PlayStation 3. Many of you might not know that you can go in through the creation station right from the editor on either cars or people mods. Go in, select a mod, Deadpool by Toastman will be our example here. And then by hitting the start button you can enter photo mode. In photo mode you can see the controls in the bottom there. Right lets you rotate, left joystick lets you zoom in and out. L1 will take the shot. You can wait for a good pose. Get some nice detail. If you do wait a while, they will change poses. Once you have them all those photos will be stored on your hard drive. So grab your USB drive, plug it into your PS3. On the XMB, move on over to where they store the photos. Go into the folder, it might be sorted by different things, either by name or by date. Here we have it by date. And you'll see all the photos that you've taken. They're fairly high quality JPEGs. You can go through and look at them, rotate them, zoom in, zoom out, make them your wallpaper even. Or just copy them to your USB drive. Now we outright copied one here, but you can also do a multiple copy. By that, just hit the triangle and do copy multiple at the top. You can go through and select checkboxes. Check off all the ones you want to copy over. And you're set to select OK. Select your destination. Now, you might have conflicts, and here I have to every once in a while rename a file and save. If you do encounter that, just check Apply to All, and then rename and save the whole batch. There you go, copy completed. Take that USB drive, put it into your computer.
Okay, now we need to load up ModNation Racers HQ. And the first thing we need to do is hit the Submit Creation button. This brings up a form with some instructions you can read. Once you read those, we can select our Creation section, and then we pick the category. Now I'm submitting Deadpool, so it's going to be a mod. It presents us with a form with various fields. The first thing's the title. Obviously it's Deadpool. The modder is the name of who made it. I'm going to use my PSN ID so people can search me on the store. Now this is a beta item, so obviously they won't find it. This is the video settings. If you have video embed code, you can place it here for people to see. And then this is the version of the game you made it on, PS3 for me. So here's the summary. Here we can type a 1 or 2 sentence description, just giving the basic idea of what the mod or creation is all about. Whoops, got the website on the brain here. Let's fix that. There we go, much better. Okay, now we can go down to the description. I already had a description typed up in preparation for this video, so I'm going to paste that in there. There's bold, italic, underline. You can add hyperlinks to the web, images, lots of controls in the editor. Let's move on to the images. The images basically just load up your hard drive. You can pick images you saved to your desktop from the USB drive. From the PlayStation 3, I'll pick a few here. Doesn't have to be the desktop, it just was what came to mind. The meta description. This is a description that search engines read, so maybe copying your summary would be a good idea to take care of those, but that can be anything you'd like. And the keywords help search engines find your creation. Things of that nature, and also the site itself. So for me, I'm going to use Deadpool, Marvel, Comic, Mod, ModNation. You get the idea. And those last two metadata just fields, those are not required. Let's get this security code in, submit it. It's got to think, and we have a submission. And now it is ready to be viewed. It is ready to be reviewed, favorited, and everything else. Thanks for stopping by and checking the video.